Morning.
Good morning.
It is Powertune Workshop update, and we're starting with this beast. Let's go, Aussie. Rightio.
Take two.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I want a full rundown on this thing. So I believe this car come in as a dead stock 34 GTT.
Yes, this is Michael's R34 GTT. He's had it for many years, and we were lucky enough that he chose us to finish off his dream. So when it came to us, well, firstly he inquired about getting an engine built. Then from there, he had the car sent to Mercedes Bodyworks and just did the engine bay, underbody, everything, just done everything right.
So before you did that, you obviously stripped the whole car. Is that correct? Yeah.
Him and his mates stripped it. It's been a while for him. I think it's been like 4 or 5 years since he's driven this car.
Wow.
Yeah.
So obviously come to the shop with nothing in it then?
Nothing at all.
It was just all painted?
It was just painted.
Ready to go?
Yep.
And then you guys took the task of what, building the motor too?
Building the motor too. So it's an RB25 DET Neo.
Yeah.
Nitto rods, CP pistons, main studs, head studs, Kelford cams. Just a nice, simple, all-around standard upgrade, really.
Yeah, well, I think the most important thing that we should touch on here is just all the fab work, which was done by Aussie himself.
Yeah.
So what was very interesting when I first seen this was the turbo configuration. Now, was this because he wanted to do it, or were you thinking more of a fabrication-wise, this is going to be easier?
No, we're just like reverse rotation aspect of these turbos in their chassis. It's so much easier to fit it as opposed to going the opposite way and having strut tower clearance issues and stuff. So luckily Artec make manifolds to suit reverse rotation turbos. So this is a Precision 6266. It's so much easier, and in my personal opinion, it's a lot nicer as well.
Yeah. And then you've kitted it out with all Frenchies gear as well. So it's a
Yeah.
Frenchies power steering, aircon, the whole freaking
It's
lot,
got the works, man. It's got icy cold aircon. It's also got the Frenchies twin pump fuel tank kit.
Oh yeah, so there's no surge tank.
No, it's no surge tank, but being a street car, he eventually wants to track it, but we haven't had any surge issues. We've put them in 1200 horsepower 33s.
Yep.
As long as you keep them above a quarter tank, they're fine.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah,
being a
right.
saddle tank, they pretty much reserve 10 litres there all the time anyway. On the GTTs, the battery's here, but we've put it in the boot
Okay.
with a GDR bracket. Yeah, the only thing I have to modify is that hole down there.
I noticed that the electrical side of things is a bit different here too. There's like,
Yeah, that's Peter's special touch.
Yeah. So what, he did a full engine loom on this car?
No, not a full engine loom. We just tidied everything up. So it's got all the factory harness in there, but Peter went through it and got rid of all the factory conduit and just replaced all the sheathing, make it look nice. And then all the, it's hot.
Funny
all
that.
the additional sensors like coolant pressure temp, oil pressure temp, stuff like that. That's all been added and tucked away nicely. And then along with Peter's custom design 3D printed brackets, which he's doing a killer job.
Yeah. It's all so neat, eh? Even like the cooler, oil cooler, everything's yeah, looks bloody clean. All zinc plated brackets.
Yeah,
bolts.
when Michael came in and we started talking before the car was being built, I kind of got a grasp of what he wanted, and it was kind of where I wanted to do, like what I wanted to do with the car. And I'm just glad that we got along really well and we decided on good quality stuff that actually fits and works.
So, the important thing, ECU.
Motec
Hey.
M130.
So it's got M130, I see it's got the Motec LTC over there.
Yep. It's also got drive-by-wire.
Oh, I didn't even pick up on that.
Yep. Bosch drive-by-wire. It's got one of our pedal kits installed in the car.
Yep. I really like the airbox you've made there as well.
Oh,
So that's all
thank you.
custom.
Yeah, it's all custom. It's just something I was playing around with and experimented a little bit
Yeah.
over the normal box style.
Yeah. It ties in super well. Like when you look from a distance, it just, I don't know, looks bloody good. So what power did this thing end up making?
It's still in running. I think it made like 300 kilowatt on gate pressure, which was 14 pounds.
Yeah.
So it's going to be
Perfect.
Yeah, it's going to boogie.
And the gearbox still RB?
Factory.
Yep.
RB25.
Clutch?
Nismo twin plate.
And then I think you told me it's got a Nismo DFA.
It does have a Nismo two-way. It's pretty violent.
Even like the added touches of the gas struts just makes things so much better.
Yes, everything's just so clean, and like all the little bracketry and stuff, like we had everything zinc coated, powder coated, all the hardware has all been re-zinc coated. And then with the brake line clips, we can either never find them in stock. So Peter's printed custom Powertune ones that clip in and just they're black. They're just tying nicely.
Can people buy them?
I don't know yet.
Ooh. Pivo, what are you doing, mate? For sale. What about the interior? Has all stayed pretty well the same?
Yeah, although the car did come with an R34 GTR MFD, which was already wired up and working.
Oh, really?
Which I thought was pretty cool.
How is that even possible?
It's possible.
Like, it's not like a direct plug-in thing, though, surely?
No, it's not a direct plug-in. It's been wired in when the car came from Japan, I believe, that Michael said.
Damn.
But we didn't really have to do anything with it. It just works.
That's crazy. And then obviously...
The only thing that doesn't work on it, admittingly, is the throttle position sensor because it does have drive-by-wire.
Yeah, okay.
There is a way to do it. We just haven't done it yet.
Yep.
We haven't figured it out. But he'll do his running kilometres and come back and then we'll suss it out.
And then, of course, with the Powertune plug-in kit with the Motec, all your factory options still work. Obviously, besides the one we just mentioned, the throttle.
Yeah, but in saying that, it's a factory MFD, but not for this car.
Yeah, yeah.
But we have made that work with an R34 GTR MFD before.
Bloody oath. This thing's super nice.
It's a very clean car. One of my favourite builds that we've done. And being white, my favourite colour as well.
So what if someone wanted to get this done to their 34, 32, 33 or anything really, GTR, what sort of time frame would you expect for this to be turned around in?
We outsource a lot of like zinc coating, powder coating, stuff like that. Sometimes we outsource our fabrication as well.
Yep.
Working with other parties does make it difficult. So you could probably expect to see, let's say from a point where the car had no engine bay paint and it had to go to a panel beater, engine build, stuff like that, I'd say 3 to 5 months.
Yep.
But in a perfect world, a month.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, if you got all the parts, you're not waiting on anything, and everything just flows along.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
And a lot of people have been saying like, why do a GTT? Why not GTR?
Wow.
Shut up. Bro.
Yeah.
Seriously. It's got traction control. It's Motec. It's fine.
Well, this is, would this be the most recent one you've completed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To date.
Like full conversion, I guess?
Yeah, it's been a while since we've done a top to toe build.
Yep.
He could have done a lot more, but it's perfect the way it is,
Yeah.
to be honest.
No,
In the sense, like, he could have done plasma clamps and stuff like that, but you don't really need, like, unless you're running over 35, 40 pounds of boost, you hardly ever see. If you get a good bead on aluminium, your silicon will hold on.
Yeah.
And a good clamp, none of that T-bolt crap thingy.
Oh, plasma man. There you go. Well, I'm a big fan of this. Huge congrats to Powertune and obviously the customer for going through with it.
How hot is it outside? Like 35 or something?
Yeah, roughly.
Sweltering. I want you to feel how good this AC is from this Frenchies kit because it's so impressive. Like instantly.
Yeah. Jeez.
And just when you think like, oh, it's cold, and you're like, oh, it's cold.
Oh, you have to turn the camera around. It's about to ice up.
Pivo's designs.
Ooh,
nice keypad.
Imagine
there.
We left that out. He would have ripped you a new one, bro.
No, Peter loves me.
No. Okay, so 3D printed keypad, all in-house by Powertune, and then you can obviously get the old ashtray one.
There's one that pulls out of the ashtray, so here it replaces it.
But yeah, we don't do that. We love darts around here.
Yeah.
Need to get out now.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? What is that? I've never seen that in my life.
No.
Oh, it's a translation.
Translation?
Yeah.
Oh, it's stuck over the top.
Extreme hazard.
I don't think that's how it's translated.
Strawberry.
I'm cutting this in right
Yeah,
now.
it sounds a bit racist, but
Yeah.
if you know what we're talking about.
You understand.
I want to drink strawberry milk.
拉閘放狗。
Needs a bloody C127 up there.
Shift up. Upper.
Up. Up. Upper.
How do you say down in Japanese?
Down.
Oh, that's a bit.
Yeah.
I thought it'd be like donu.
Probably. This is one of many builds that we're going to have a quick little look over.
Yeah, we've got a few in there that we need to get out and wash.
Let's get on to the next one. So you guys would have seen this car on my video most recent from Powertune, and yeah, things escalated quickly after the gearbox was shown that it was Mickey Mouse. Everything's all good. So yeah, this was a bone stock RB26 engine, and now the customer wants to go all out. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet because it's absolutely ridiculous, and I don't want to spoil it for the owner. Big fan. Big fan.
Grandmother approves. Loves the GTR.
So yeah, I'm not going to tell you what's happening with this one because I'll let the owner make the call there, but this thing is going to be ridiculous. No more news on that one. Sorry guys.